The Adventures of Shady Blady and Oran Z Act 1 Next. Church. Morning. A beautiful church with cars arriving, people greeting, hats shining, children running, and elders moving with purpose. Shady Blady and Oran Z step out of the car like dignitaries arriving for a world summit. Heads turn immediately. The Hat Committee. 3 glamorous older women near the church steps, all freeze. Hat Committee woman has shown mercy. Hat Committee woman #2. That hat has architecture. Hat Committee woman #3. I do not approve, but I deeply respect it. Sister Bernice appears, holding a fan and a smile full of incoming trouble. Sister Bernice. Well now, if it isn't vanity and gold trim, Shady Blady, and if it isn't gossip in orthopedic shoes, Oran Z steps between them smoothly. Oran Z, good morning, Sister Bernice. Sister Bernice morning. Oran Z, I hear you're unveiling something special today. Oran Z, a church-appropriate demonstration of the Wonder Weave technique. Sister Bernice Moon. I hope it behaves better than that hat. Shady Blady smiles without warmth. Shady Blady, this hat behaves better than most adults. Int. Sanctuary. Moments later. The sanctuary fills up. Choir warming up. Fans fluttering. Programs rustling. Shady Blady sits proudly in the middle section. The giant hat blocks the view of nearly 6 people behind her. A man leans left, a woman leans right. A child stands on tiptoe and still sees nothing but feathers. Behind Shady Blady, murmurs begin. Woman in pew, I can't see the choir. Second woman, I can't see the pastor. Child, I can't see my own future. Oran Z, seated beside her, notices the brewing storm. Oran Z, Shady. Shady Blady, yes? Oran Z, your hat is causing weather. An usher approaches carefully. USHRE. Excuse me, Sister Shady. Would you mind perhaps sitting a little farther back? Shady Blady turns slowly. Shady Blady, are you asking me to move my worship because of my millinery? You sure? No, ma'am. I'm asking if the people behind you can also attend church. Oran Z closes his eyes. Lil Tiki, sitting across the aisle, starts recording discreetly. Lil Tiki. This is about to become history. Act 2 Int. Church, fellowship, hall, later. After the service, everyone gathers in the fellowship hall for the women's anniversary program and Oran Z's Wonder Weave presentation. Decorations everywhere. Folding chairs, cake table, church punch, a small stage with a mirror, mannequin head, styling table, and banner. Beauty, dignity, and presentation. Special guest. Oran Z Shady Blady struts in with the hat still on. The hall reacts all over again. Sister Bernice, she kept it on. Hat Committee woman has honed. That means she came to finish the fight. Oran Z begins setting up with calm precision. Oran Z. Today I want to show how hair can be styled with dignity, structure, and care. A church mother raises her hand. Church mother, before you begin, is that hat staying on during the presentation? Everyone looks at Shady Blady. Shady Blady. This hat and I arrive together. We leave together. Oran Z. We are not discussing the hat. We are discussing excellence. Sister Bernice. The hat has made itself part of the program. Laughter. Oran adjusts the mannequin. Oran Z. As I was saying, presentation matters. Suddenly, the feathered side of Shady Blady's hat catches the corner of a decorative fabric banner and pulls it halfway off the wall. Gasps. The banner droops over the cake table. One cake begins to slide. Lil Tiki catches it just in time. Lil Tiki, not on my watch. Not the caramel cake. Shady Blady, that banner attacked me. Sister Bernice, the banner was minding its own business. Oran Z steps in, calm as ever. Oran Z, everybody, please. No one has been injured. The cake has been preserved. Let us continue. He resets the room. Oran Z hair is not just appearance. Hair is memory, identity, pride. A little girl in the front row raises her hand. Little girl, Mr. Oran, is Miss Shady gonna wear that hat while you do the hair? He looks at Shady Blady. Shady looks back. The room waits. Oran Z Shady. Perhaps for the demonstration, Shady Blady. You want me to remove a masterpiece? Oran Z. I want the audience to see the mannequin. Long pause. Then Shady Blady sighs like a queen being asked to surrender land. She slowly removes the hat. The whole room gasps again. Underneath is a flawless hairstyle. Smooth, elegant, regal. Hat Committee Woman #2. Well now. Sister. Bernice. I dislike how impressed I am. Lil Tiki. That reveal was cold. Shady sets the hat on a nearby chair. The chair tips over. The hat rolls. Everyone lunges. Oran Z catches it mid-air with surprising grace. The room applauds. Shady Blady! Careful. That hat has feelings. Act 3, Int. Fellowship Hall stage area. Continuous Oran Z places the hat safely on the piano bench. Then he begins the presentation for real. Oran Z. Now. A proper style begins with respect for the foundation. He demonstrates smooth sectioning, careful placement, and clean technique on the mannequin head. The room leans in. Even Sister Bernice is paying real attention now. Oran Z. Too many people rush. But good work requires patience. Shady Blady. That is right. Sloppy hands create suffering. Oran Z. The goal is natural beauty, secure structure, and confidence. A church mother speaks up. Church mother. Can that work on short hair? Oran Z. Yes, ma'am. Second, church mother. Can it last through heat? Oran Z. Yes, ma'am. Sister. Bernice. Can it survive a revival and a family reunion? Oran Z. If properly done, yes. The room erupts with approval. Then, disaster strikes. A toddler toddles toward the piano bench, climbs up, and puts on Shady Blady's giant hat. The room freezes. The child grins and runs. Shady Blady, my hat! The hat committee stands in horror. Lil Tiki films everything. Lil Tiki, this is the greatest day of my life. The toddler runs in circles through the fellowship hall with a giant hat covering half his face. Shady Blady chases carefully. Oran Z keeps speaking calmly into the microphone while watching the chaos unfold. Oran Z, and as you can see, control is essential. The room bursts into laughter. Finally, the toddler stops near the stage. Shady Blady kneels. Shady Blady baby, that hat is advanced behavior. Give it back before it chooses you. The toddler happily hands it over. Applause. Shady puts it on again, then stops. She looks around. She looks at Oran Z. Then, with surprising grace, she takes the hat off and places it on the table beside the mannequin. Shady Blady today. And the work gets the spotlight. The room softens. Oran Z smiles. Oran Z. Thank you, Shady. He finishes the demonstration beautifully. The final style is elegant, polished, and church-ready. Everyone claps. A beat. Then the pastor steps up. Pastor, I came in here worried about the hat. He looks at the style. Pastor, now I'm worried my wife is going to want one of these appointments. Big laughter. Sister Bernice nods. Sister Bernice, put me down for Thursday. Hat Committee Woman #1 Friday. Hat Committee Woman #2 Saturday. Hat Committee Woman #3. And I want the hat supplier's number. Shady Blady lifts one eyebrow. Shady Blady, you all mocked what you did not understand. Sister Bernice, that is true, but now we want in. Oran Z closes the demo case. Oran Z, that means the presentation worked. Shady Blady steps forward, puts one hand on her hip, and delivers the line. Shady Blady, you best believe you better not mess with Oran's Wonder Weave. Huge applause. Tag scene EXT. Church parking lot. Afternoon, everyone is leaving. Sunshine. Church hugs. Cars pulling out. Shady Blady and Oran Z walk to the car. Lil Tiki is still laughing over the toddler footage. Lil Tiki. The part where Mr. Oran said control is essential while your hat ran across the fellowship hall? Gold. Oran Z. Please do not post that before I review it. Sister Bernice. Too late. I already sent it to my cousin. Shady Blady gasps. Shady Blady. You what? Sister Bernice, don't worry. I only sent it to 6 people. The hat committee walks by. Hat committee woman #2, Sister Shady? Shady Blady, yes? Hat committee woman #2. Next Sunday. Wear the red hat. Shady Blady smiles big. Shady Blady. Oh, now y'all are ready. Oran Z opens the car door. Oran Z. Let's go home before your hat gets its own ministry. They get in the car. As they pull away, the giant hat in the back seat slowly leans forward like it is listening. Please, share, like, and subscribe.